If you have blue in your truck or in your garage, Makita blue, run to the depot after this video and you guys will understand why. There's a killer deal with the 2-tool combo kit with 2 free tools. I'll show you guys this in this video. It's even lower than what they advertise in. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. And also make sure you guys do all that because I will be uploading daily all the Black Friday 2022 videos, Home Depot, Loves, everywhere else I will be uploading, so stay tuned. So this is only going to be a Makita deal at the Home Depot, so if you're looking for another brand, wait for it. I will be making those videos. Guys, we got the 40 volt XGT line already at the depots. It's already hitting the depots. This is the first box I ever see that says 40 volt XGT. I do own 40 volt XGT myself. I really love this line. I think it has a lot to go forward. So this is the 379. That's the blower. It is 44% more blowing force. Turbo boost, 565 CFM, 143 miles per hour. Quieter than the gas. So brushless blower with a battery, a charger. 61 dBA, 7.5 pounds, 565 CFM. So, guys, there's just a lot of that's coming to the depots and to pretty much all the tool stores out there. So they got the 40 volt max. That's the edger. 249. Yes, and this is the string trimmer. Yes, this is the 40 volt string trimmer, $399. The reason why these are so expensive is because they're 40 volt. It's a bigger battery. It's just a lot of voltage. 169 for impact driver, drill driver, subcompact, and then you got the Starlock multi-tool, $199. That's expensive. 139 for the circular saw, the reciprocating saw, the compact reciprocating saw, or my favorite, which I don't have it, but I want to get it. Bluetooth job site radio. It's a nice little radio. I heard nothing but good things about that thing. Let us know that in the comment section if you guys got any of these tools. Let us know if you like them, if you don't like them, if you hate them, if they're trash, if they're not trash. Alright, so you got the subcompact impact driver. I really love that kit. It's really light. I got it last year, so it's really nice. And they got the subcompact reciprocating saw. It is really small. And then you got the radio. The MP3 compatible. So it does have a nice handle. Some speakers and some big knobs there. Alright, so yes guys, this is a killer deal. This is not the deal I was talking about, but this is another killer deal. So put your boots on and walk into the store. Run to Home Depot. $259. You got the rear handle 7 1/4 circular saw kit with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a dual port charger, and a bag. $259, guys. $259. Yes, from $359 is down to $259. Plus, you're getting 2 more 5-amp-hour batteries. You're getting a total of 4 5-amp-hour batteries. I can't stress this enough. This is a killer deal. Makita is killing it. Yes, guys, this is the saw. This thing's a beast. It is a beast. It is heavy, but it is worth it. A lot of the framers, professional framers that I know myself, use this saw. It's solid as a rock. 45-minute run time, or charge time, my bad. So you do get 2 sets of batteries with this saw. $259, killer deal. $169 for the pneumatic 3.5 21-degree brown head framing nailer. I don't have any experience with this one myself, but must be a nailer, so it must work. Let us know down in the comment section if you guys got any experience with this tool. Alright, so here's another one. This is a couple of a 2-pack of 4-amp-hour batteries. So if you guys do see the difference, you guys do see the value you're going to get for free with the other deal. Those are 5s you're getting for free. Alright, so you got the drill driver. The 2 4 amp hours are 139, so you're basically getting bigger batteries for free. That's crazy. All right, so 3 amp hour starter kits. That's the impact driver with 3 amp hour battery, charger and a bag, and then you got the drill driver there, charger and a bag. So guys, lots of good deals here. Guys, this is the BOGO deals. These are the buy one get one free. That $399 kit that you guys see there, you're gonna get 2 free tools. It's not $399, guys. It's not $399. It's $349. It's $349. It's right there. I'll show you guys that right now. You guys do have to run, put your boots on, get in your car or get in your bike and run to the depot, because this deal will expire in a couple days. So if you're a fan, you want to get the $399 deal for $350 plus the 2 free tools, run. Alright, so you got the $199 deal. You get 1 free tool. You can choose from the router, the brushless compact router. The inflator, I would definitely stay away from that one. You got the brushless 4.5, 5-inch cut-off angle grinder. There you got the reciprocating saw. You can get the jigsaw, the circular saw, 6.5 circular saw, the ratchet, the blower, the X-Lock angle grinder, and the multi-tool. So that is the Makita X-Lock Turbo blade. It's a 4.5. It is compatible with regular angle grinders, not just with the X-Lock. So if you guys want to get that, and this one too, this one's continuous cutting, $24. This one's still pretty good deal. These are very, very expensive blades. Alright, so $179, you got the router. A brushless router. For $179, you can choose from any of these tools for free, by the way. You guys did see them up above. You got the multi-tool. Yes, this is the spotlight. This is not the right tag for that tool. You got the regular angle grinder. This is a 4.5, 5-inch cut-off angle grinder. That's not the X-Lock. Valued at $179. You got the 6.5 circular saw. Valued at $139. You got the inflator, $99. Stay away from this one, at least for this deal. You can go ahead and buy it later, or if you find a better deal later. But don't waste your free tool on a cheaper tool. Get yourself a more expensive free tool. If you know what I mean. Reciprocating saw, $139. You can buy the blower for $149. Valued at $149. You can choose that one too. So you can, with that $399 kit. Yes, guys, that's it, guys. That's it right there. That is $349 instead of $399. Big shout out to Deal Team 6. They've been killing with all these deals. They've been posting this deal for the longest time ever. I just haven't seen it myself in live, in person. That's why I haven't showed you guys. I haven't told you guys, because I don't know if that's true or not. So I came into the store. I saw it for $349. And plus, you're going to get the two free tools. 5 amp hour battery. So this is top of the line Makita hammer drill. I personally do own these tools. They are a beast. Really nice to use, really comfortable. That is the hammer drill, top of the line hammer drill, top of the line impact driver. You're gonna get 2 5 amp hour batteries. You're gonna get a charger and a bag. It is a hammer drill, plus 2 free tools. I can't stress this enough. This is just a killer deal. It's a glitch. It's an overlap glitch, basically. It's an overlap from last deal to the Black Friday deal. So it is a glitch, overlap glitch. It's only available in the stores, guys. It's not available online. So don't try it. You do have to walk in, put your boots on, walk to Home Depot, pick it up. All right, so you got that's the ratchet 179, 3/8 1/4-inch drive with an adapter. It does include an adapter. And then you got the multi-tool valued at $139. All right, so here are where the X-Lock. I found the X-Locks. They were hiding down here in this section. So if you guys don't see the X-Lock over there, make sure you guys ask the associate to get you an X-Lock. That's the one that I want. I still haven't gotten it yet. but I should be getting it soon. I want to get it. Alright, so that is the X-Lock. That's the 18 volt brushless, 4.5 5-inch paddle switch with X-Lock angle grinder with AFT. So it is the quick change system. That's what we call it. You do press the button and it releases the blade. Not like the traditional angle grinder. With the traditional angle grinder, you have to screw it and unscrew it. Guys, that's it for today. I will be posting Makita. I will not Makita because I already just posted. We'll be posting Joby, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Rigid Deals, Gift Center, Home Depot Gift Center videos all throughout this week. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the bell, hit the like, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.